Morning, South Africa. Our dear friend on Facebook says there's nothing more South African than pop, wors, and some say chakalaka, some says sauce, some says gravy, some says tomato bready, whatever your word is for that relish. Guys, let's be honest, man. There's no more South African meal than this. You can eat this for breakfast because it's leftovers from last night. You can eat this for lunch. You can eat this for a snack at work. You can eat this on the road because you know, back then, pad course. You can have this for supper. You can eat this when you're poor. You eat this when you're rich. There's no meal that's more South African than this. Yes, we love amagwenyas and we love chips and we love all that stuff. But a lot of times when I see these American American YouTubers and stuff, or international content creators, they have this thing where they would rate South African food. And apparently the South African food that always gets given to them is bobotie. And nothing wrong with bobotie. But my friend, hey, you see pap and wors nie, jong. And I agree with brother here. This is, if you want to talk about South African food, right here. And just one more thing, for those that's watching this and don't understand, wors is not sausage. Sausage is what you buy in a pack at a supermarket. Wors is what a butcher makes. Now, a supermarket could have a butcher that makes okay wors. Maar wors is not sausage, my friends. Hey, wors is oh, lekker. And what you can do with it, ja, jy kan hom braai, jy kan hom op die oond, in die stoof, in 'n air fryer, in 'n pan. You see how my Afrikaans comes through with pap and wors. Ja, we want to talk about the Springboks uniting this country, my friend. Hey, the Springboks got nothing on pap and wors. Speak to me, South Africa, do you like it? Oh, last hot take on this. In this picture, you'll see they eat it with a spoon. Yeah, and that's the South African way to eat it. You eat pap and wors with a spoon. If my mom or my wife hears me now, yo, they will slap me. But that's the way you eat it. You don't eat pap with a freaking knife and fork, with a spoon, man. You skip them when you eat them. Have a good day, South Africa.